if you want to go from this to this in just minutes, stay tuned.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Here's a list of items I'll be using: wax comb, clips, Sani Strips, Got2B freezing spray, Got2B gel, Beeswax, edge brush, DivineRootz hair oil, and 2 packs of Spetra Easy Braid hair. It's already pre-stretched, and I chose 2 different colors just to tone down the color a bit. I'm starting off with freshly washed and blow-dried hair, and I'm going to start off with parting my hair. You can choose to do your part whichever way you like. I just prefer the side part and straight down the middle of the back. So I'm going to separate my hair, and this is optional. I'm going to be applying a little bit of heat to my hair just to tame it a little bit. But if you are 100% natural and heat-free, that's totally fine. You can skip this part and continue with the rest. So now that I've applied heat to both sides, it's tamed and we are ready to mold. I'm just putting a little extra security on that side so that it won't come loose. And we're going to start off with the beeswax. Apply 1 layer to your hair. We want to make sure we comb that product into the hair. Trust me, it helps when you're molding. It'll keep everything neat and in place. Apply as much product as needed. I always apply according to hair texture. So since my hair is really thick, I apply a little bit more than usual just to make sure it coats my hair well. But go according to your hair texture. Now we're going to take the Got2B glue gel and we're going to apply that on top of the wax. A part of the molding process, you don't want to forget to comb that product into the hair. If not, it'll leave it thick and we don't want it to just sit on the hair. Now we will apply the Got2B freeze spray. That is the final touch before we start our braid. Apply a little bit of heat just to get it formed. And once again, if you don't want to touch the heat at all, that is perfectly fine. You can skip this part. And now that I have it smoothed down and molded how I'd like, I am ready to start this braid. So I first start off with parting a small section in the beginning of the braid. I start braiding with my hair, and I do the Feedin method. You start with a small piece of hair into the braid, and you gradually increase in the size. Once again, depending on the texture of your hair will determine how much hair is added to the braid. And if you guys would like me to do an even deeper look on feed-ins, just drop that down in the comments below and I'll be sure to make a video for you guys. So I take a piece of hair and I put it underneath my index finger. I grab and I continue to braid. Don't worry about any cracks in the hair. You can always fix that after. Just make sure as you're braiding, you're keeping the hair neat, free from any tangles, and you're also grabbing your hair as you go. Under the index finger, and keep braiding. So at this point, I feel that I have added enough hair into my braid. It is at the desired thickness that I like, and I'm just going to continue braiding down. Don't worry about the wrinkles or the cracks. That is all fixable at the end. I'm tall, so I like my braids a little longer. So at the neck, I'm going to add another piece of hair. That'll also ensure that both braids are even. As you're braiding down, remember to keep a tight grip on the braid. That'll ensure that there are no lumps or bumps throughout your braid. And if you feel that you messed up, you can always let the braid go back up to where you made the mistake and start over. Make sure you braid that braid all the way down to the very end to avoid unraveling. Now's the time to fix those cracks and wrinkles. Just apply a little bit more of the beeswax and that gel if needed. You can choose to use your edge brush and comb. I kind of use both. I will alternate between that and my rat tail comb. Fix my baby hairs on the side. Well, my sideburns because I ain't got no baby hairs. Go ahead and give it another spray and a little bit of that heat for extra hold. Now we are ready for the other side. We're going to repeat the same steps. Molding, you're going to add your beeswax, followed by your Got2B gel. Make sure we comb that product in and apply that freeze spray. Now it's time to touch up those areas. We're going to take the Got2B gel and apply where needed. Comb it in and use the end of that rat tail comb to push underneath the braid. Spray one last time and we're going to apply those Sani Strips. Ladies, we are at our final step. I went ahead and boiled some hot water and placed it in a cup since it's only 2 braids. Be very careful. I will then take the towel, dip it in the hot water, and apply to the braid just to eliminate some stiffness. Now let's go ahead and remove those Sani Strips to see what we've created. Now I will be using a little bit of oil to dab on the white parts that's on my hair. It's just from the gel being dried up. But here you go, ladies. This is the final look. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. See you guys next time.